Hey everyone! Discover how you can earn money in under 10 minutes on paid surveys. In this eye-opening video, we'll walk you through a free platform to start cashing in on your opinions today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on my latest videos about making money online. Comment below and tell me what country you're watching from. That way, I can make even more videos tailored just for you. Okay, let's get straight to it. You want to make cash fast even if you have zero experience, right? Let me show you how I did it with paid surveys, specifically with a site called NiceSurveys. Now, I know a lot of survey sites out there can be sketchy or just a waste of time, but NiceSurveys is honestly one of the best options I've tried. It's free to join, and you can sign up from anywhere in the world. Seriously, no matter where you live, you can start earning today. What I love about NiceSurveys is how simple it is. You just log in and you'll see all the available surveys right on your dashboard. And here's the cool part. Their system automatically finds the best surveys for you. If you ever get disqualified from one, which, let's be real, happens a lot with other sites, NiceSurveys instantly finds you another survey, one that pays the same or even better. I've tested dozens of survey sites, and I've never seen this kind of smart matching tech before. Plus, there's a NiceSurveys app for both Android and iOS, so you can do surveys anytime, anywhere, literally while you're chilling on the couch or waiting for your coffee. Most surveys take less than 10 minutes to finish, and you start seeing your balance go up right away. But here's what really made me stick around: the payout speed. Once you hit the minimum, you can cash out through PayPal, and in most countries, your money arrives within 10 minutes. No waiting for weeks or jumping through hoops. And if you want to boost your earnings, check out their referral program. Just share your personal invite link, and you'll get a 10% commission every time your friends make money from surveys. So, if you know other side hustlers, this is a super easy way to earn even more. So, if you're ready to start making extra cash with just your phone and a few spare minutes, give NiceSurveys a shot. I've dropped the link in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried paid surveys before? What's been your experience? Drop your thoughts and any questions in the comments. I always read them. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an update on easy ways to make money online. See you in the next one.